Nerf gun game starting 3, 2, 1. Starting. Come on, come on, come on. Kill cam. Okay, guys. So, as you see, I won the first battle, the real YouTuber. And just so you guys, and just because we didn't say it, we're playing a little thing called real versus fake YouTuber. I'm being the real YouTuber, he's being the fake YouTuber. But he's actually the real YouTuber, as you guys all know. And nobody say, in their comments, say sleep. Because there's been quite a few people, and, just don't say it. Okay, round 2, now I'm gonna have it this time.
And we're gonna change weapons.
Yep.
I got crossbow.
I'm gonna use this.
Holly?
I'm gonna use this gun. Show your gun. Go into the light. Go into the light. The gun I was using. That thing does some massive damage. Okay, well, let's begin.
Okay.
You have 5 seconds to hide. 5, 4. No, guys. Really hope I win. Anyways, 3, 2, 1, begin. Okay, guys. Right into it. Come out, wherever you are.
Go! I got you. Kill cam.
I just completely lost my balance.
Okay, I'm doing a kill cam. That's the end of this video. James, say bye-bye, because you're dead. You're on the floor.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.